Brushing up on English. The nighttime routine of brushing teeth. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the world of daily routines, specifically our nighttime routine. We're focusing on an important part of our day, which is brushing our teeth. Not only is it a healthy habit, but it's also a great opportunity to learn new English vocabulary and phrases. Let's start by learning some essential vocabulary. Remember, learning new words and how to use them in context is crucial for mastering a language. 1. Toothbrush, a tool we use to clean our teeth. 2. Toothpaste, a substance, usually mint-flavored, that we put on our toothbrush to help clean our teeth. 3. Rinse, the act of using water to clean out our mouth. 4. Spit, to forcefully remove water, toothpaste, or other substances from our mouth. 5. Floss, a thin thread that is used to clean between our teeth. Now that we've learned our key vocabulary, let's use these words to describe the process of brushing our teeth. 1. Pick up your toothbrush, the first step in our routine. 2. Apply toothpaste on the toothbrush. The next step is to get our toothbrush ready. 3. Brush your teeth. This is where we clean our teeth by moving the toothbrush back and forth, up and down. 4. Rinse your mouth. After brushing, we use water to rinse our mouth. 5. Spit out the water. Once we've rinsed, we need to spit out the water. 6. Floss your teeth. As the last step, we use floss to clean between our teeth. We've got our vocabulary and we understand the steps. Now, let's put everything together into sentences. Here are some examples. 1. Every night, I pick up my toothbrush and apply toothpaste on it. 2. I spend 2 minutes brushing my teeth. 3. After I brush, I rinse my mouth with water and then spit it out. 4. Finally, I don't forget to floss my teeth for a complete clean. Great job, everyone! Remember, practicing these words and sentences will help improve your English speaking and comprehension skills. Incorporate these phrases into your daily routine of brushing your teeth and you'll be brushing up on your English in no time. Keep practicing and I'll see you in our next video.